Okay, so just to review the vocabulary for tomorrow, as you know, you have 3 questions on the speaking. The graph question, or the bar chart question, is actually a multiple choice, so you do not have to speak on that one. However, you do have to speak on question 1 and question 2. In total, you have 10 minutes. Make it 9, so that you're sure you have submitted in time. So think of it as 9 minutes. My advice is to take 3 minutes each for each one, 2 minutes to prepare, 1 minute to record. I think it's easier to do this on one recording, but it's up to you. You can click on the link on each question and make 2 different recordings. If you want to put everything in one recording, this is how you will do it. So you enter the Vocaloid application and you begin speaking the answer to your first question, question 1. When you have spoken for 30 seconds, then click pause, okay, and then return to Blackboard questions and move to the next question. Then, when you do this, you can begin your next recording. And to do that, just click on the arrow and you begin talking and say your answer for question 2. When you're finished this one, then you click on stop. Okay, and then as normal, you're going to save and then click copy the link as you've done before, and then you will return to your Blackboard and paste the link, and you can do that in the second speaking. If it requires that you do it in all of them, you can just copy paste the same link for the first question and the second question. I'm not clear on what way this will look at your side, whether or not it will appear as separate questions or all together. So that part we will have to wait until tomorrow. Thank you.